What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the detailing of my BMW E90, but first let me show you what the present condition of the car is. So this is a 2011 model. Yes, it's old, but when you look at it from far, the paint seems to be in pretty good condition. It is only when you have a closer look is when you realize that there's a lot of defects on the paint. The front bumper, which is in really bad condition, needs to be fully repainted, and let me show you. I'm actually quite embarrassed to tell you this, but just 2 days after I got the car, I managed to drive it into a really big pothole which I didn't see, and I broke the bumper from this corner over here. And I've done a pretty shoddy job of covering this up with some spray paint, which did not sit well on the surface of the bumper at all. And also a big crack over here. So there's basically no option left but to completely repaint the bumper before we can go ahead with detailing. So it's been 2 days since I dropped off the car, and I just got a call saying that it's back from the painting booth. So let's go and have a look at that brand new bumper.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great.
So guys, the detailing has begun, and so far they've completed one side of the kidney grille, and I just wanted to see the difference between both of them. This is before and this is after. With me here I have Mr. Gaurav Matre, the owner of this detailing studio. तो गौरव जी, आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को थोड़ा बताएंगे कि आज जो डिटेलिंग पैकेज लिया है इस गाड़ी के लिए, तो इस पर क्या क्या काम होगा?
ग्रिल्स डिटेलिंग, अलॉय डिटेलिंग होगा, फिर उसके बाद में आफ्टर इंजन डिटेलिंग होगा।
अच्छा। उसके
बाद लेंगे फर्स्ट स्टेप पॉलिशिंग लेंगे, जो इससे स्क्रैचेस रिमूव होंगे टोटल। और सेकेंड स्टेप जो डीए मशीन यूज़ होगा, उससे जो शाइन और स्क्रैचेस का लाइट हो जाएंगे। फिर उसके बाद लास्ट स्टेप फिर वॉशिंग करने के बाद फिर ग्लेज यूज़ होगा, जो पॉलीमर कोटिंग का यूज़ होगा, जिससे शाइन हाई ग्लॉस रहेगा।
So guys, polishing of this fender here is complete, and after that you can see it has become so white that the bonnet, which was matching this shade earlier, is now looking grey in front of it, and the brand new bumper, which was looking super white in front of the rest of the car, is now matching perfectly with this fender over here. Look at how much of a difference there is. So the battery of the car has drained out because it was here since afternoon and the door was open and shut many times. The lights were on inside, and now we wanted to shift the car to the washing bay and it just wouldn't start. So I had to quickly call the mechanic, and we're going to try to jump it now. success. Alright guys, so I've brought the car out for a short drive so that the battery can charge properly, because I don't want that we take it to the washing bay, we switch it off and then it doesn't start again. So I'm just driving around the area, a couple of kilometers, not much, and once the battery discharge warning is gone, I'm gonna drop it off straight to the washing bay. So the car has finally made it to the car wash. I don't know about the rest of you guys, but I personally find it very satisfying to see the car getting covered in foam like this. I just love it.
Feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, and I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave.
So the car is back from the washing bay and the final finishing touches are in progress.
My way, or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want. And
so guys, the detailing on my BMW E90 is finally complete and I can't tell you how happy I am. They have done such a fantastic job over here. The car is looking absolutely brand new. They have done a fantastic job. बहुत मेहनत का काम किया सबने. So this is well. Thank you so much. Mujahid, thank you, and Amit, thank you. I am very happy with the job done over here. To visit Perfect Car Detailing for a perfect job on your car. So guys, the car is looking so fantastic. I can't stop admiring it. So anyway, it's time to head home now. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it. And please subscribe to my channel because that's how it will grow, and I really need your help to do that. Plus, I have big plans for this Beamer and there'll be a lot more videos coming out on it soon. So stay tuned until then. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya!